cracker bag.
There's enough stuff in there.
I think that's how they build it. Should we have one like that? That one looks quite nice, doesn't it, Ruth?
Rude.
Is the house roof?
We'll leave it on.
Someone's just whacked me. Just put it on, just see what happens.
Hang on. I don't hear yet.
Where's the bit that goes on there?
I don't know.
Andy, why don't you put that?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, do it on again. Whack.
Put that one on.
No, it won't go up with that. It's too heavy. Wait.
Why don't you get something else to
Andy's trying to find something to go on.
gunpowder.
Got any gunpowder?
I've got shots. I've got bullets.
What the hell's that?
Actual bullets.
It's gonna hang a tape measure. It's got a tape like a
I've
kite.
got actual gun bullets on the van. Actual gun bullets. Seriously, I've got loads of them. Despite the cables at work.
That will go up.
Oh, what's that?
I wouldn't use them. They're a bit lethal.
What we've done with that?
Yeah, here we go.
Andy, is that very heavy?
Right, we're gonna have a tail, I think, of what's it called? A little bit of sellotape underneath, hold it on. Then we'll have a tail of tape measure.
Yeah, sellotape. Teeny bit of sellotape.
Teeny sellotape.
You've got a long fuse.
Oh, that's a long one. Who's gonna like that bugger? Like him down here.
Enough, not too much sellotape. Just enough.
Don't tell anyone. Just have a go. Just so we can have a little look. You'll probably wrap round my neck as it comes down and hang me.
No, that will go up. You're too excited now.
I must say, on the instructions, it doesn't say do not modify.
No, it doesn't.
So we're not doing anything wrong, really. There's no harm in this. A little bit of
Well, you see how high it goes.
taping how high it goes, the measure.
We're doing good tests for the company.
We are really. It's like Brainiac Science Boost 11.
1 metre.
1 metre 5. And he stood by the door. He's worried. Shit! I'm just on fire.
That did not go a metre right. I saw it. That is a metre tape measure, and I saw it. That was
It didn't even go a metre.
Wasn't it?
Bit of toilet paper would be nice.
Bit of toilet paper hanging off.